and she's very passionate. She's ambitious. She knows what she wants, and yeah, she'll more or less do what she can to, follow her dream. Well, apart from her being Gujarati, and I think an NRI also. No, well, yeah. Apart from that, I think I relate more to Samara, I think, towards the end of the film, because she does go through a graph, and she goes through a journey where she does change as a character. So I think I would relate probably to her towards the end, but obviously you'll see that when you see the film. So yeah, I got very pakawed with him. Yeah, no, it was good. It went really smoothly, and yeah, it was a little nervous as well, because obviously, he's a senior to me, and he's such a good actor.
The stars, the cast was chosen according to the characters. What Panchami, the casting director, and I felt were the right actors, whether they were established like Lilith Dubey or Darshan Jariwala, Rati Agnihotri. They were chosen according to the characters. And the rest of the casting, the new children, the new kids, the new youngsters that are in the film, we auditioned, and I selected the ones based on who portrayed the characters the best in the audition.
Good one. It's never easy. Not when you're involved with somebody, Like I've always said with my family, I'd be afraid to act with them because how can I be something I'm not? They've seen me since I'm a child. I think it also extends a bit to your partner as well. I wouldn't want to answer that because I would want people to watch the movie. Actually, जब मैंने देविका को फ़ोन किया था, मैंने देविका को फ़ोन करके बोला कि यार एक फ़िल्म करते हैं, I have an idea. Okay, तो देविका घर आई, मैंने नरेट किया आइडिया उसको, फिर उसने मुझे एक आइडिया बताया जो ज़्यादा अच्छा था, तो मैं बोला चलो तेरा आइडिया बनाते हैं. उस वक्त मैं एक्टिंग भी नहीं कर रहा था फिल्म में, मुझे बस प्रोड्यूस करनी थी. जब उसने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी तब मैंने सोचा चलो, उसने कहा कि यार आई वांट यू इन द फिल्म, आई थिंक यू विल डू इट वेल, एंड आई एंजॉयड द स्क्रिप्ट ऑल्सो. मुझे डर था कि मैं दोनों कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं. आई थिंक जब फाइनली व्हेन आई पार्टनर्ड विद संजय ऑन माई कंपनी, एटलीस्ट मेरी तरफ से कोई एक बंदा था जिसके साथ मैं ये फिल्म बना पाऊँ, एंड अमित वाज देयर एनीवेज. तो तब मैंने डिसाइड किया चलो अगर मुझे एक्टिंग करनी होगी तो फिर आई हैव दैट बैकिंग टू एक्ट. तब मैंने डिसाइड किया आई विल डू इट. एज फार एज प्रीति's कास्टिंग इज कंसर्न, ये दोनों की चल रही थी ऑलरेडी दोनों के बीच, because they met, they were friends, and they were discussing to work together. And I think at one point Devika said, I want to approach Preeti for this. I was like, I said exactly what you said. यार partner के साथ मैं कैसे काम कर पाऊँगा? I'm not good at working with family and partners.
For me personally, it was quite nerve-wracking. Actually, because I look up to Abhay as an actor quite a lot. So for me, there was this pressure of my gosh, am I going to be able to perform properly? And yeah, there was this nervousness of oh my god, kind of a thing. But yeah, I think we did it in the end. So I hope it shows.
बहुत लड़े, actually. बहुत लड़े. Lots of tears were shed. Then director would say, "Go into your van, sort it out, and come back out." And ऐसे करके मर के हमने फिल्म बनाई.
No, he didn't meddle in like that. It was Devika. I wouldn't even go to him for things like that. I would just saw this is Devika's baby, and she knows she has the vision, and this is her script. So I went straight to her if I was unsure about something, and it was always Devika who would come. I would definitely, I think I would give 10 actually. But then it just sounds really cheesy, and I'm going to be biased and say 10, right? But yeah, I would give him 10 on 10 on both producer and actor. Yeah, I think every day there's one, he'll at one point he'll pakao me once a day at least.
हर रोज की बात है.
So yeah, it's not just now and then. He probably pakaos me most days.
हर रोज पकाती है, खाना पकाती है अच्छा ही. तो I don't get pakawed by her, but she does do some pakawing for me. So yeah.
Okay, I'll take that back.
नहीं, मैं अच्छी बातें बोलता हूँ, ये बुरी बातें.
I take it back. He doesn't pakao me.
I think while I was writing screenplays for other directors, I always stopped myself from establishing my own vision. I was facilitating their vision. and directing my sensibilities towards their vision. This is the first time that while writing it, I allowed myself to see it, to visualize it, and to let myself go there. So it was a lot more freeing because, I mean, my background is film school where I went to be a writer-director. So for me, this time around, it was creatively like just amazing because I could just, whatever I wrote, I was like, I can do it and I can see it and that's the way it's going to happen. So yeah, it was very liberating. I think the toilet scene, which you see in the trailer, where they're in adjacent cubicles, was a lot of fun because they couldn't see each other. They didn't know what the other was doing in the next cubicle. And that for me was most fun because they just had to act at it blind. They just were in their separate cubicles. So that was really fun.
See, my mother tongue is Gujarati. So I worked on my Hindi, but yeah, I'm still working on it, yeah, you would, I suppose, expect me to have an English accent when I speak Hindi, but actually I sound like I'm from Gujarat. So even my English words sound like Gujarati. So yeah.
I think what she's trying to say is कि अक्सर यही होता है ना कि जब बाहर गांव से लोग अपने देसी लोग आते हैं, अगर आप पंजाबी हो और आप कनाडा से आ रहे हो तो आपकी पंजाबी ठीक होगी, अंग्रेजी ठीक होगी, हिंदी नहीं होगी, या फिर आप गुजराती हो। जो इसके साथ अगर आप गुजराती में बात करेंगे तो फिर लगेगा नहीं कि ये इंग्लैंड की है, वो ये कहना चाहती है। पर अगर आप हिंदी में पूछेंगे तो फिर हाँ, हिंदी पर काम किया इसने हिंदी फिल्म में आने के लिए, पर इसकी हिंदी और इसकी इंग्लिश और गुजराती उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी है। पर कितनी अच्छी है फिल्म में वो तो आपको देखिए।
We did sync sound, so Preeti spoke Hindi on set. I mean there was nothing done afterwards. Dubbing तो थी नहीं। तो इनकी जो लैंग्वेज है, इन्होंने हिंदी इंस्ट्रक्शन ली मिसेस वीना मेहता से, पर वो सिर्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए थी। पर जो फिल्म है इनकी जो डायलॉग्स हैं वो 65% हिंदी के हैं और 35% इंग्लिश के हैं। And it was not dubbed at all. उसकी आवाज़ है।
I'm very happy. I am so happy that I've decided not to sign any film till this film is released. Okay. एक फिल्म है जो मैं साइन कर रहा हूँ, उसके अलावा मैं और कोई साइन नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि मुझे इस फिल्म में इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस।
When he learns to pick up his socks from the floor.
There you go.
And clean up after himself.
I couldn't say it better. शादी तो अमित की हो रही है इस वक्त। मुझे एक डायरेक्टर ने बोला था कि मेरे चेहरे की वजह से है, मुझे कोई हीरो का रोल देता ही नहीं है, या तो मैं चोर लगता हूँ या कुछ ड्रग एडिक्ट लगता हूँ या ऑब्सेसिव लगता हूँ, नहीं अभी तैयारी ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से कि ये फिल्म मैंने प्रोड्यूस भी की है और आई थिंक तैयारी उसके लिए करनी पड़ी मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा, तो एक तो था डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड व्हाट नॉट, बट 3 लोग हैं जिनके बगैर ये फिल्म बन नहीं पाती।
एक्सपीरियंस वाज फैबुलस, लाइक इवन नाउ आई कीप टेलिंग हिम द सेम थिंग दैट पता ही नहीं चला कब शुरू की कब खत्म कर दी पिक्चर इतनी जल्दी। ऐसे लग रहा था कल ही बैठ के तो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि यार शुरू करते हैं, लेट्स प्लान अ फिल्म टुगेदर। इट हैज़ बीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आई थिंक स्मूथ प्रोसेसेस एवर। इट्स एब्सोल्यूट फन एंड आई थिंक द क्रेडिट गोज टू द एंटायर टीम। I think the basic idea of making the film was that it has to be for the youth, about the youth, by the youth. So I think we've kept in all the elements. I am the youth. You are the youth, of course. You are the youth. And I think they'll connect to it. The youth today, they like fun. They like having fun. They like having something new, ever evolving every day. They get bored very easily. Get very
they get
out
very easily.
Very easily they get, and they just want to look out for something exciting every day. So it's about those kind of people.
As a studio, we are looking for different subjects. Something which is not usual, something which is not what we call done daily. If you see our slate of films, you will always find different take from what, let's say, a mainstream normal studio would do. So I think what excited us about this film is, जैसे हर फिल्म की एक दुनिया होती है, so the world of this film is I think very, very young, very effervescent, very relatable. So I think it's something which should appeal to the youth. That's a target segment that we believe we understand and we often talk to. So I think that was exciting. Secondly, I think as some of the lines in the trailer said, that out of the box. So you've seen humor which is, let's say, slapstick. You've seen humor done in the usual Bollywood way. But I can't think of very many films where humor is done in a quirky, understated fashion. So I think that's the other appeal of the film. I'm sure that the younger audience are going to relate with it, the whole world and the brand of humor, which brings me to Abhay. So you can take a 2.5 kilo ka haath and make him bash lots of people, or you can put a guitar in the hand and have a song like Paka Out. So that's Wycom 18, something different, something quirky. And I think that's where we identified with the subject and what the film is about to say.
Basically, Abhay and I have known each other for 10 years now.
Little
And
more, I think. No.
Yeah, we started out where, he, Sochanatha had not even released and I had not written my first script. And, we worked together in 2 films. I've written 2 scripts that he's been in, Manorama, 6 Feet Under and Aisha. And,
I'm always getting her a job, basically.
Yeah. And basically, we were at a stage in our life where we wanted to make films which we wanted to be a part of, which is very difficult to find in this industry. So in the sense that we were out. And that's where the idea came from.